Okay, so we have this question here on matrices, right?
Yes.
So we have got two matrices, matrix A, 8, 4, 2, -4, and matrix B, 1, 3, -1, and 6. So they are telling us to find half A plus B. So what do you understand here?
We're going to have to divide all of the members in matrix A by 1/2.
Okay, that's
Yes.
true, but we're not dividing, we're multiplying. So here, this is called a scalar quantity. So we're multiplying this matrix A with this scalar quantity, which is half, right? So
Scalar
we
quantity.
have matrix A, which is 8, 4, 2, and -4. And we're multiplying every element by 1/2. We're not dividing, we're multiplying because the examiner can change this to this. If they changed it to this, what are we doing?
Multiplying.
Multiplying by 2, right? This scalar quantity here. Okay, good. So we're
Scalar quantity.
multiplying all these elements by half. So this eventually becomes, this would be like 4. This would be 1, right? This would be 2. And this would be -2. So we are done with this part, right?
Yes.
So the next part is adding with matrix B. So plus 1, 3, -1, 6. So what do we do here now?
We add.
How do we add?
This one doesn't have a fixed one, but I can say
We use the corresponding.
row by columns as well.
No, we are using the corresponding.
Okay.
Yes. We'll use the corresponding elements. So this 4 will add with this one because they are corresponding. This 2 will add with 6, or with 3. This 1 plus -1, and this -2 plus 6. So everything that corresponds, you add. You've seen, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So at the end of the day, our answer will be 5, 6. This will be 0 here. If we expand it to be 1 minus 1, right? 0.
Yes.
And this will
0.
be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 4. So I've got 5. 3. This has to be 5 as well, sorry. Because 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why I have 6 in my mind. So this is the answer here. Is this fine? We can move on?
We can move on.
Okay. Okay, so we have a universal set here. This is the entire universal set, and we have got 3 sets with their intersections. So the question is saying we have to plug this entire information, and we have got 3 sets. We've got set P, we have set Q, and we have set R. So the question is telling us to illustrate this entire information on this Venn diagram, right?
Yes.
So it's best we start off by plugging what we have in the intersections. That's usually what I like to start with. So we'll first start by finding out P intersection Q, then P intersection R, then finally Q intersection R. So if we say P intersection Q, so P intersection Q, we have got 1, 2, 3, right?
1, 2, 3. Yes.
Yes, great.
Q intersection Q.
Then if we say P intersection R, P intersection R,
We
we
have 3
have
and 5.
got 2, 3, 5. Great, excellent. Then if we say Q intersection R, because it's this side, we'll have
Which
2,
2,
3, 4, right?
yes.
Then we have to account for this part here, which is P intersection Q intersection R, which is there's a 2 in all of them.
The 2 in
There's
all of them and
3 in all
2.
of them. Just these two. Okay.
Just those 2.
So we can now plug them in. We know that what's in between here is 2 and
1,
3
2.
in between. Then we can now go to
Oh,
set P. So set P, or we also, in the intersection here, we have got 1. So 1, 2, 3, we've accounted for this, right? Then this side, P intersection R, we've got 2, 3, 5. We've accounted for this. Then this side, we have 2, 3, 4. We've also accounted for this, and we've accounted for that. So we just complete the sets, right? So set P here is 1, 2, 3, 5, and 9. So set P is done. Set Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Great. Then set R is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10, right? Okay.
yes.
Let's get the union. So let's say P union Q union R. So the union will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, or 5, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Have I left anything?
No.
No, right?
-1.
So -1 is outside. So -1, 0. And that's it.
That's all.
That's all,
Yes.
right? Okay. So we've illustrated this entire information on the Venn diagram. Great. So now we are trying to evaluate P intersection. Anyway, you can see it, right? Here.
Yes.
So usually, when solving such a question, P intersection Q complement union R, I advise you that you start by solving what's in the brackets first. So what we have in the brackets is P intersection Q, which is this one, right?
It's complement.
So now we have to look at all the elements that are outside this set, right?
Yes.
So P intersection Q complement. Again, we just look at the universal set. Always look at the universal set. So it would be -1, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right?
Yes.
Then we're combining it with this set here, which is R. So this will be -1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's the answer. Well, okay? No. It's dropped out. So you've understood this question?
Yes, I have.
Okay, let's
I've
continue.
understood.
So question 5 here. In the triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC is equals to BC, and we have an angle here. Calculate the value of X. How do you think we can solve this? Any ideas?
those lines that
Mhm.
are on the triangle are showing that all of the angles are equal.
Yes.
So yes.
So
So
meaning, mhm.
angle ABC is 4x, including
So
angle
they are all
BAC.
4x, right?
Yes.
What do we do next?
We write them down. It's going to be 4x plus 4x plus
Mhm.
4x,
Mhm.
which is equals to 180.
Why? Because interior angles in any triangle add up to 180, right? That's
Yes.
the knowledge that you're trying to follow. So it will be 4x plus 4x plus 4x is equals to 180 because
Mhm.
interior angles add up to 180 in any triangle, right?
Yes.
So this will be 12x is equals to 180. If we divide both sides by 12, x will be equals to 15, 15 degrees. Okay, well, this is fine.
Yes, it's fine. Mm-hmm.
So here we are now saying calculate the number of sides of a polygon whose sum of interior angles is 780. So this one is similar to that question which says number of sides. There's a formula where you say 360 over n. You remember that formula?
Yes,
But for
but
this one, you have to say n multiplied by 2 multiplied by 180 is equals to this here, the sum of the interior angle. Because that one, that formula was for exterior angle, right?
yes.
Exterior angle is
Okay.
equals to 360 over n. But for the interior
Mm-hmm.
angle, it's n minus 2 multiplied by 180 multiplied,
Mm-hmm.
put it to the sum, which is 720. So at least here it's multiplication. We can divide both sides by 180. We'll remain with n minus 2 is equals to 4.
Mm-hmm.
Then this can cross the equal sign. N will be equals to 4 plus 2. Therefore, n will be equals to 6. So please don't forget this formula here,
Yeah,
to come
putting
in
it
also
down.
tomorrow.
Mhm. What about for exterior angles?
It's
The formula.
360 over n. Exterior angle is equals to 360 over n.
360.
Over n.
Okay.
N, which
Mm-hmm.
means number of sides.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's this now? What's this? So the following
So
diagram is a cylinder of radius 7 centimeters. So calculate the total surface area taking pi as 22 over 7. So here,
mm-hmm.
total surface area is equals to, so you have got two circles with the same radius. There's a circle above, there's a circle below. So you have to account the area. So 2 by r squared height plus, we have to account the height as well. So plus 2 by r h. So this is on the
Mm-hmm.
surface. Two circles area, two circles height. It's making sense?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yes,
we
it
have
is.
to just say 2 times 22 over 7 times 7 times 7 plus 2 times 22 over 7 times 7 times the height, which is 20. If we
Mm-hmm.
evaluate this,
That's 7 is 49.
okay. Oh, So if you evaluate everything this side properly, slowly, you're going to get 308.
Mm-hmm.
Then this side, 2 times 22 times 20, you're going to get
Mm-hmm.
880. If you add them, you're going to get this. Do you have this past paper?
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay. So meaning I just have to
Mm-hmm.
send you the recording.
Just a recording.
Okay. So D, they are saying a car is valued at 120,000 kwacha. Calculate its book value after 2 years if it depreciates using the straight line method at 4% of the original value per year. So it's depreciating at 4% per year of the original value. So we first have to
Mm-hmm.
see how much is depreciated by 1 year. So we say we have to find 4% of 120,000 kwacha, right?
Yes.
So it will be 4 over 100 multiplied by 120,000 kwacha.
Mm-hmm.
So here we're going to get 4,800 kwacha per year.
1,008. Subtract.
Hold on, it's 2 years.
Mm-hmm. 2 years.
So we have to multiply this by 2 because this one is just for 1 year. So we need to find how much it's depreciated by 2 years. So we're going to multiply this by 2 and we're going to get 9,600. Then now, after 2 years, it's reduced by 9,600. So we now have to
Mm-hmm.
subtract 120,000 kwacha minus 9,600. And we're going to get, it's after 2 years, it's now being valued at 110,400 kwacha. Let me
Mm-hmm.
just pause the recording. I plug in the computer.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so question 6 is saying, where are we?
FX.
Oh, question 6. So it's saying given, so given f is the function which maps x onto, okay. So we're saying f is the function which maps x onto 2x minus 4, right? And
Yes.
they are saying the range for the domain 1, 2, 3. So a function is a mapping. So if we have a
Mm-hmm.
domain like this,
Which are the X values?
exactly, it has to be mapped onto a certain range. So we don't know what we're
Y.
going to get here. Exactly, like that.
Mm-hmm.
They are not y values, it's like the image of the function. So
Okay.
the first thing here, we're saying if we plug in 2, what image are we going to get? So if you plug in 1, sorry, what image are we going to get? So if we plug in 1 here, we're going
Going to
to
be
get -2, right?
yes.
Then if we plug in,
-2.
if we plug in 2, we're going to get 0, right?
Yes.
And then finally, if we plug in 3, we're going to get +2, right?
Mm-hmm. +2.
Therefore, our range of values will be -2, 0, 2. So we have a domain giving you a range based on the image of the function. Okay. So now the question is
Very
saying
simple.
this. What do you understand by this here?
X when f of x is equals to 20. So they are saying f of x is equals to 20. So in the equation over there, I'm going to have to replace f of x with 20.
With what?
20.
So they are saying f of x. F of x is the function. So where there is f of x, we have to replace it with the function. So let me show you. This is the function here. F of x is 2x minus 4. You are seeing it, right? So where there is f of x, we have to plug in 2x minus 4. That's what the question is saying. So 2x minus 4 is equals to 20. You are now following, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this will cross the equal sign. We're going to end up with 2x is equals to 20 plus 4. So be 2x is equals to 24. We divide both sides by 2. X is equals to 12. You've seen how we've been able to read that, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move on to this question here. So this here is similarity and congruency, right? That's the topic, similarity and congruency. So there's like a small triangle. Oh, it's logged out. So here it's similarity and congruency. We have a small triangle above here and a big triangle below. And you can see that here they are parallel, meaning they are two similar triangles, meaning the ratio of their sides are the same, or they are similar. So DE is similar to the ratio of their sides are similar. So DE over AB, this side here. It means even this side here, CE and AC are also similar, or the ratio of their sides. So we'll say CE over AC. And the question wants us to find DE. So we just simply substitute. We'll say DE is equals to AB is 15. I'll share one last link. CE is 6. And then AC is 10. I'm sure you know what to do at this level. We just cross multiply. So we're going to get 10 DE is equals to 90. We divide both sides by 10. DE will be 9 centimeters. Is that fine?
Nice. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
So on a particular day, the exchange rate between Zambian kwacha and one British pound is 26.50. How many pounds would be exchanged for 5,300 kwacha? So here we've got the pound, we've got the kwacha. 1 pound is selling for 26.50 kwacha. How many pounds will exchange for 5,300 kwacha, right?
Yes.
So we cross multiply.
So,
We cross multiply, right?
uh, we
Right?
divide.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm not particularly.
Yes, we have to
Mhm.
divide like
Okay.
this. So remember, we have to show our working. At the end of the day, we are dividing, but we need to show
Mm-hmm.
our working. So X would
Okay.
be 5,300 divided by 26.50. How would I divide this?
We ignore the decimal point.
Ah, great. And wait, how do we ignore the decimal point?
Uh, you know.
So we have to use the place values here. So there is
Okay.
one, there are two decimal points here. So
Mm-hmm.
because there are two decimal points, this one is 10, 100. So we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 100. That's when we can now ignore the decimal point. So here it would be 5,300,000 because we've multiplied by 100. And then this side
Mm-hmm.
here, 2650, I've ignored the decimal point, multiplied by 100, it will be 00. Then I'll bring back the decimal point and move twice. So it will be 2650. So it's like we're dividing 530,000 from 2,650. So at the end of the day, divide this as slowly as possible. You're going to get 200 kwacha.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Just take your time. I know this is like very big math, especially without a calculator, but just take your time
Mm-hmm.
and solve. Okay, so express 0.3475 in standard form correct to two significant figures. So what should I do here?
Uh, we correct it to first we put it in standard form. Yes.
Okay, how do
So
I do
the point
that?
has to be the
Yes?
number has to be
Okay. So what we're going to
mm,
do here, the decimal point is here.
mm-hmm.
So we're going to move it once to here. So we're going to have 3.475 times 10 to the power negative 1. So
Mm-hmm.
we are now in standard form. Two significant figures is here, 3.4. So at the end of the day, we have to look at this number here. It's bigger than 5. So it will be 3.5 times 10 to the power negative 1. So it's like this.